Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace, a trunk tail light on Mercedes CLK. This one will be the W208, guys. Should cover the years from 97, I think, to 2003. So we have a video how to do the outer ones, outer tail light. If you need bulbs only, we have the video, and we will have at least 100 videos of that vehicle. Make sure you subscribe. Let's grow the channel together, guys. So we'll demonstrate on the left side right here. The right one will be identical as well. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you. There is two nuts that we need to remove here. And there is a few more things that you need to do. Okay, there is a hidden one. So once you remove those, do not pry because it's not gonna come off. Okay, easiest way is not to damage anything is actually to go ahead and pull a few clips right here, which are very easy to pull. You need to pull the centerpiece out, okay, and then you can pull the whole clip. So we'll just remove 3 of them, and we're going to gain some room to the tail light. Okay, and let me show you why. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, now right there, that black plastic thing, we need to get it loose. Okay, you can see that's the one I'm talking about, and you don't need to take it off all the way, you just get it loose. Okay, like that. And we need to disconnect the wires by pushing on this wire. Okay, let me show you because we couldn't focus. Okay, those two things, you squeeze them in like that and you pull out. And this is the inner tail light assembly out of the CLK, guys. Super easy. Stay with us to show you how to install it now, to make sure you get that black thing right. Now we need to get it in, and that piece is going to move, so you don't need to take it off all the way. Okay, you just need to make sure that you connect the wires before you push it in. It's easier that way. Okay, like that. And now we're going to go ahead and get it in. It needs to go over the metal piece there. Okay, you can see it's in now, so it keeps the tail light there. We need to get it tight now, so it keeps it in place. You need to make sure that the bolts are lining up there. They're in the holes. We need to go ahead and install the 2 nuts with that 8mm socket. So not very complicated at all. You can do it without removing the plastic clips here, but it's hard to reach that bolt because it's in an angle a little bit like that, so it's hard to get. But you can see the clips take only a few seconds. You push the middle part in like that, okay, and the rest of them now. So that'll be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.